Yo, what's going on, guys? Schoolsy here, and in today's video we're going to be doing the shotguns only challenge. And I actually think it's going to be pretty hard because I usually only use like SMGs and automatics. Before getting into the video, make sure to subscribe as we're on the road to 300 subscribers. And I'm also on the road to getting my creator code. If you go down and like the video, it would help a lot to get the video out to more people, so get more views on videos. And yeah, let's get into the video. What? No ammo! Shoot him! Oh my gosh! Are there any bandages? Let's go! Oh! Alright, so my plan is gonna be to land the loot lake house and just loot up from there. That's probably my best bet because nobody ever lands there. So if I can just land there, I think I'll be fine. Oh, I forgot to warm up. Wait, we might be cooked. I forgot to warm up. Oh no. We just gotta hope that we can hit our edits during the game then, because I'm running tilted. There's most chests in tilted, so I'm just gonna go tilted because I don't feel like waiting in the bus to go to Loot Lake. Just taking the ammo so then other people can get ammo from those. Just need one gun. There we go. Okay, we can fight now. See a pump over there too? Okay, we're chilling. Wait, if we can just get 2 pumps, we can run a double pump and that'll be easy. Double pump would be light work. So I think I'm actually just gonna go grab a double pump. And I can't shoot from range, so I gotta be ready to like protect myself from getting shot at. Bro, I can't shoot anybody in the sky anymore. I'm so used to just looking up and beaming people. We're doing good on mats right now. Oh, we got a kid over here. King. $22. Yes, sir! First kill of the game. Alright, I'm trying not to get too much confidence from that kill because I don't want to just start keying kids and then mess up. But, like, we're doing pretty good right now, I'm not gonna lie. Considering shotguns are not that great. I'm taking a green one. Okay. Yes, sir! That's what we like to see. Oh, we got another kid over here. Right there. Got him. Yeah, we gotta heal up. I'm just gonna pop this right now. Oh, someone has Dilstro's drum gun. I'll lock in. Can't get beamed by that. I might just play heal off actually. Give him a shot. Let's try it. Oh no, I got a kid on this. He's pretty good. Yes, 70. I hate this challenge! They're fighting, third party. Fight! I have no heals. No. No. Oh my gosh, bro! My. Oh my gosh, bro. There's nothing I can do. My sensitivity's that low. Alright, game 2. No one wants it. What the heck is going on up there? Ah! Oh crap, someone killed him. What? Did he crash? What just happened? Wait, is he still... Oh, there he is. What? Bro, I swear he disappeared. Am I tripping? I must be tripping. Yo, there's a grave digger right there. Wait, low-key. I'm gonna pick it up so that nobody else can take it. Nobody else can take this grave digger now. I promise you I'm not cheating. I'm just doing this so that nobody else can pick it up. Don't even look at me. Don't even look at me. Stop, stop, stop. Sniper right there. We're hiding in a tent, boys. Bro! I'm gonna die to storm. I'm gonna fly. What the? Oh no. You have a shotgun? You do. 100. What? No ammo. Shoot him. Bang! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We did it. We did it. We did it. Not exactly, but like we're close. And we got the medal. Oh, we're cooking, boys. We're cooking, boys. And we got bandies. We got bandies. Oh, this last zone. I think it is. We gotta dip. We gotta dip. We gotta dip. How is there still 4 people in here? 3. Did we go out? We got it. Let's go. Let's go. It's a 1v1. What is there? Anything? Is there any bandages? Let's go! Oh, let's go, boys. All right, boys. We got the dub. Next video dropping tomorrow. You know I got you guys with the daily uploads now that we're on summer break. And I guess I'll just catch y'all tomorrow.